Alright, so if you want to customize your Spotify app with Spicetify like this, it just takes a minute. You go to spicetify.app here. Below the center of the page, hit install now, and then you're going to see lines of code in gray boxes. Make sure you go to the Windows section if you're using a Windows computer, but other than that, it does not matter which line of code you use. On the right side of the grayed out boxes though, there's a little copy button, so hit copy on that, and then on your computer, search for PowerShell. First time you try this, just click PowerShell and let it open. If it does not work though, come back, right click PowerShell and hit run as administrator. It's possible that you need that. But first just try clicking PowerShell. And then once it opens, you gotta paste in the line of code that you copied from the website. I can just on my mouse right click and it drops everything in and starts running. If that doesn't work for you, you can click inside of PowerShell. On your keyboard, hit Control V and then hit enter. What you want is the code to run. A bunch of lines coming out. Usually takes around 2 minutes. It's going to ask you at least one question along the way, and just type in a capital letter Y and hit enter. Once it's done running, you can open your Spotify app. The app really should have been closed the whole time that you ran the script. So if it was open, try closing Spotify, reopening it. What the script is supposed to add is a marketplace icon. Looks like a shopping cart. I got lucky where it put that icon right in my top bar. If you don't see it there, it may be a nested drop-down item underneath the home icon, so try looking there. If you still don't see it, try closing Spotify out, rerunning that script in PowerShell, and opening Spotify back up. But once you see the shopping cart marketplace icon, click on that, and then click on the themes tab. This has a whole bunch of themes you can use to customize your app. The most popular is Dribbblish. But any one of these you can hover over and click the install button at the bottom right. Once you click on it, you have to reset your app. And then to pick a color, like with the Dribbblish theme, you got to go back into Marketplace. Up at the top right, there's going to be a drop down where you can change it from default green to Nord Light or something else. And then to the right of there, there's a search bar where you can look for themes that you heard about. I heard about one called No Premium. Supposedly it removes ads, but I've never tried that. It looks like No Premium does not let you set your own color. But browse themes, pick one you like. If any part of this did not work, most likely you have the version of the Spotify app that comes from the Microsoft store here, and that is locked down. None of this customization works on that version of the app. So hit your Windows key if you're on Windows, search for add remove programs, uninstall Spotify, and then go to spotify.com here. Top right, hit downloads, and then click to download the link right below the middle of the page to download the standalone customizable Spotify app, and then run that whole process that we just went through again with the right version that you can actually customize. If you run into any problems, drop them in the comments. I'll try to take a look. Love you guys.